Good morning, Big Patch. Let's make a great protector. Sun's up, sweetie. Careful with those ropes. Just need to find the strong center for you. Woof. Need help finding my way. Oh dear, that wasn't quite tight enough. It's cozy, but quite heavy. Are you all right, darling? That was quite a fall. Steel pole base. We need firm ground for the crows.
Did someone say structure? I heard metal.
Woof.
Safety first. Let's build a proper spine.
I'll clean up the mess first, Mom.
Sizzle. Solid joints, always.
That's how you make a lasting foundation, sweetie.
I bring the earth to pack the base firm.
Water, earth, and patience, the strongest glue.
Live update! Straw Smash is now steel structure! Don't forget to like and subscribe, folks!
Base is good, metal's cool, ready for the stuffing.
This feels much safer. So strong. Strong ideas come from soft mistakes.
Patience makes the root solid.
A real farmer needs a little help sometimes. Look at this teamwork. Synergy on the farm.
Tighten once, never worry twice.
There's your colorful crown protector.
Done. I found all the pieces for the man.
He is magnificent. A true farm sentinel. I can't wait for my mid-morning smoothie. Smoothie time is best time.
Cow, what is this strange new shape?
Crow encounter. Testing the new guard.
This straw is unexpectedly firm, not floppy. It's like trying to eat a rock made of hay. We must report this impossible Scarecrow.
Victory smoothies for a job well done.
The best smoothie reward ever! So cold, so intense! Too fast, sweetie. Sip it slow. Ooh, what is this pink, sweet water? Eep. Brain freeze! It bites back! Even the sweetest reward needs structure and control.
Slow sips. Enjoy the cold one step at a time.
Everything needs a cool-down period.
Firm resolve in the heat of the moment. Oh, smash tranquility. The true farm life vibe.
He's perfect. No more easy meals for the birds.
The accident taught me to ask for the steel pole base.
We built strength together, little friend.
Failure is just a blueprint for better design.
A sturdy life is built on strong supports.
Fall made the story better. Better structure, better views. Now, the harvest is truly safe. Even small treasures need protection. Ready for the big harvest, little driver?
Woof. No scary birds here now.
Care for the small things yields great rewards.
The work is steady, the mood is good.
Let's roll the harvest home!
Goodbye, firm friend.
Everything metal needs maintenance.
Post-production success. Hashtag FirmGuard.
Even the softest things need gentle care.
Safe fields mean happy playtime. The best part of the day is the quiet work.
Safe and sleepy now.
And here we have the tractor repair in progress. Looking good, Brave.
Solid as a mountain now.
Waste not, want not. Every piece has value.
Good metal needs a good shine.
Golden hour, perfect for the closing shot.
Everything feels quiet and right now.
Time to go home, sweetie. The sun is sleeping.
Thank you for holding firm. Good guard. Dinner time, my little driver.
Another day, another structure secured.
The weaving holds the strength. A foundation must be unmovable. I learned the difference between soft and firm. The dark is not scary now. The quiet is the reward for the chaos.
Every tool has a purpose, even the rope.
Next time, the rope holds the soft parts.
The rainbow is stronger on a firm hat.
Look how high we built the protection! We made structure out of a sprawl.
Rest well, everyone. The guard is on duty.
You're safe inside now, too.
A warm drink is the structure for the night.
Good night, sweet team.
Filming the stars is easy when the ground is firm. The earth turns, the season changes.
Firm dreams. The fall taught me to wait for the morning.
New day, new work.
Sunrise on a successful frame.
Cow, best avoid that unmovable spot. Good morning, good guard. Ready for a new day.
Still firm. Perfect.
Ready for breakfast, sweetie.
Coming, Mom. Thank you, lesson learned.
Wait for me. Time for breakfast.
A firm start to the day is essential. Rules of the firm life.
Next video, building structure on the farm. Structure brings serenity to the harvest.
The fall was my greatest help. guard.
Fall becomes firm guard.
The best story is the one that's learned.
Always build with steel for the long run.
Safe night, good world. Thank you for the lesson, big, firm straw man.